Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 10th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 5th of March, 2025, our system has identified Google as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.7. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has recorded a loss of -4.13%. This equates to an average decline of -1.03% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $165.07 is breached, it would signify an increased rate of decline. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decline of approximately 10.24% over the upcoming months, with a possible return fluctuating between -10.67% and +6.85%. In terms of the longer perspective, our analysis over the span of 12 months predicts a change of around 15.91%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 13.78% to 46.06% in the next year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price ranging between $188.73 and $242.28. Our latest daily update for Google includes the headline, Red Day on Monday for Google. The Google stock price experienced a decline of 4.6% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 10th of March, 2025, falling from $173.86 to $165.87. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.91%, with a low of $163.69 and a high of $168.46. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 7.49% during this period. The trading volume increased by 16 million shares on this day, despite the falling prices, which may signal an early warning. This slight increase in risk is anticipated over the next couple of days. In total, 43 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $7.2 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a highest price of $207.05 and a lowest price of $136.13. Currently, the price is 19.89%, or $41.18, below the 52-week high, and 93.23%, or $2,283.05, below the all-time high on June 14, 2021, when the price peaked at $2,448.92. Alphabet Incorporated, the parent company of Google, is encountering significant challenges as its stock price has decreased nearly 5% following the Department of Justice's confirmation of its intention to dismantle Google's monopoly, specifically targeting the Chrome web browser for divestiture. This ongoing antitrust struggle adds regulatory pressure on the company, which is a major concern for investors and could lead to further short-term stock fluctuations. Compounding this issue, fears of slower economic growth and geopolitical tensions, including potential tariffs from the Trump administration, have undermined confidence throughout the technology sector, with the Nasdaq Composite now in correction territory. This widespread market weakness coincides with a period when Alphabet, along with other technology giants, had been beneficiaries of the rise in artificial intelligence. Despite these adversities, investors might view this as a potential buying opportunity as the market recalibrates. The Department of Justice's decision to emphasize forced divestitures while dropping efforts to sell off artificial intelligence investments may present a mixed outlook. While short-term uncertainty lingers due to the regulatory environment, long-term prospects depend on how effectively Alphabet navigates these challenges. particularly its strategic investments in artificial intelligence, which are crucial for future growth. If Alphabet can adapt and emerge stronger from these obstacles, it could enhance investor confidence and support a rebound in its stock price over time. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 10th of January, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Google an overweight rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Google a neutral rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, it was reported that Wolfe Research assigned Google an outperform rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 2nd of January, 2025, it was reported that JMP Securities assigned Google a market perform rating with a downgrade action. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned Google a neutral rating with a hold action. Analysts have given Google stock a general buy rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts assign the stock a rating of strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Google. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals. The Google stock is displaying sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. Should there be upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $170.47 and $185.80. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, the 7th of March, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 4.6%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased as prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal from 8 days ago. The short-term moving average reveals a sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 20 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart, we note the short moving average shows a sell signal from 24 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 4 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions remain unchanged, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock typically exhibits average daily movements and, with strong trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $4.77 between its highest and lowest points, which amounts to 2.91%. In the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.10%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Google, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.02. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $191.33. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an important level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain circumstances. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such situations. The combined average rating for Google from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 5th of March, 2025, Ashkenazi Anat conducted an insider buy of 121,779 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the 5th of March, 2025, Schindler Philip conducted an insider buy of 143,270 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the 5th of March, 2025, Walker John Kent conducted an insider buy of 116,407 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the 3rd of March, 2025, Porat Ruth conducted an insider buy of 800,000 shares of Class C capital stock. On the 3rd of March, 2025, Porat Ruth conducted an insider sell of 800,000 shares of Class C capital stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 23.472. Overall, insiders purchased 2,886,640 shares and sold 1,781,051 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Google stock a good buy? Currently, Google exhibits several negative indicators and is situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak over the coming days or weeks. Therefore, our assessment of this stock is negative. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 11th of March, we expect Google to open higher by approximately 14 cents, initiating trading at $166.01. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.